over 5 million users have chosen Realme products.
We have upgraded from the classic diamond cut design into these new starry gradient colors. Now let's dive inside the phone. Yes, Realme 3 features the powerful and efficient MediaTek Helio P70 processor.
This is for the first time in the industry, the phones will be revealed by a fan. Isn't it amazing? The price will start for 3GB, 32GB variant at 8,999 rupees. And for 4GB, 64GB variant would be 10,999 rupees. 3 Pro is coming. It's not only a beast, but also a speed racer. The best is yet to come. Thank you very much.